What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this two-owner 1972 Cuda. Original color combination with only one paint job through its whole life. Thing is beautiful. Couple tiny little flaws, but nothing major. Factory numbers matching. Excuse me. 340. Look how clean it is. Everything's been gone through and maintained on this thing to the T's. Upgraded a little bit on there. Carburation. All original panels everywhere. There's your stampings. Nice. Upgraded headers. All your hoses and belts are good. This tells the whole story of the vehicle. I'll have that on our website, MGMClassicCars.com. Excellent driving car. Nice. These are really sought after. Love that face. Look at that. Front chrome bumpers in good shape. All your grilling, fog lights, and lights are working the way they should. Car lines up in gaps just like it came out of the factory. I just saw a little chip. Where did I see it at? Tiny little things like here and here. You know, nothing big. Great look, great stance. Power steering, disc brakes. Look at that gap. Just the way it should be. Vinyl tops in great shape. All your glass and weather stripping are good. All original panels, like I said, folks. Look at that. That's a great ass. Love the tailpipes coming out. Cuda. Original trunk lid. All original quarters. So your stamp. All original quarters. Well-preserved car. Spare tire and jack are in there. There's some extra moldings. Weather stripping in the trunk is good. Rear chrome bumper in good shape, and all your lights are working the way they should. No questions on quarter here. I don't see any flaws. Gaps out right. Dual sport mirrors. Fender to the door, gaps out right. Real clean underneath. Couple little door dings in the door, but nothing through the paint. All the eyeball in the world. Interior's in really good shape. All original black buckets. Rear seats good. Deck panels fine, and your headliner and dome light are working correctly. Door panels are good. Look at this. Look how clean it is in here. That's great. Hang on. 69,759 miles. All your gauges are working. The tach is not. How's that for old school? Dash is in great shape, and both your seats are really, really good. Great sound. Great sound. are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 190 vehicles in stock. All our photos, descriptions, videos, and pricings online at mgmclassiccars.com. Oh yeah, it's Cuda time. Stores open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. She's tight. Real tight. Oh, this thing runs great. Financing is available if you have good credit. We'll go up to 180 months, 10% down. Yeah. Shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Once again, that's 773-600-0919. Let's go, Cuda. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. Runs out real well. And stops great. Let's see what kind of funky noises we have. Let's not hit this guy. See how the turning ratio is. All right, let's see what's behind me before I... There we go. I see you, buddy. No funky noises. Steering's tight. Shifts the way it should. It's tight. Nice car. 2-owner car. Wow. All right, let's do a Yui. Like us on Facebook, MGM Classic Cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Oh, yeah. Second gear scratch. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And if you're interested in the 72 Cuda numbers matching, please give me a call at 773-600-0919. Here's our warehouse, all filled with everybody's dreams. Our service center. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.